Hey guys, Rabbit here, and I am back with an all-new recipe straight from London. I was just there this past spring with my now fiance because we got engaged there. It was a magical trip. While we were in the heart of London, we stumbled across the KitchenAid flagship store and gave me a recipe for a lemon curd ice cream. And it's very simple. You guys can do it at home. It's amazing. We've had it in London and I've actually made it here at home. And it's 3 simple ingredients. It's just lemon curd, creme fraiche, and Greek yogurt. And today I'm gonna do it so you guys can see at home how easy it is to make. Okay, so for this portion of the recipe, you're gonna need your KitchenAid bowl and a scale. Then we have to put in the 250 grams of your lemon curd. Ooh, love that sound. And next, we're gonna need 250 grams of Greek yogurt. And next, you're gonna need 125 grams of fresh creme. So just make sure that after you pour your ingredients in, you zero it out every time, or else you're gonna have to be scaling back and trying to get the right size or measurements, and that's just confusing. That's why we have a scale. Once you have all the right grams of ingredients in your bowl, we're gonna go ahead and attach it to our standard mixer. And on our mixer, we're gonna go ahead and whip it up at a medium speed. And with your spatula, let's go ahead and just make sure that we get everything from the side, like that little guy. Just push it all down. And we just mix it just a little bit more until we know that everything is all mixed up. Perfect. Now that it's all mixed together, we are going to go ahead and put it to the side. And next, we're going to have to get our next attachment for our KitchenAid standard mixer, and that is the ice bowl. So next, you're going to need your KitchenAid ice cream maker. Mine has been in the freezer for pretty much a week. You don't have to put it in for a week. The recommended is at least 24 hours, but I kind of just like having mine in the freezer. It comes with these 2 contractions. Oh, but first, before you put on these 2 things, you should probably put in the mix that we've done. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour it in, just like that. So once we've poured all of our mixture in, we're gonna go ahead and put this device. So we're gonna make sure that these grooves match with the other mixer paddle. So now that this is in place, we wanna go ahead and mix it on level 2 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we just wait. And wait. And wait. Is the ice cream ready? Hey guys, another tip that I can tell you is to use a dish towel to wrap around your KitchenAid so that it can keep the cold air inside. Today's a really warm day in my place, and these lights don't help, and it's also helped me during the really hot days in the summer. And that's a little nice tip. Ooh, it's keeping its shape. Oh yeah, look at that. Another thing you guys can do is you guys can put this right back in the freezer, let the ice cream kind of settle and thickened, or you can use a container that is freezer friendly. And that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get this bad boy out. Look at that. Soft serve, just for you. So now we can just take this out. Ooh, it's really cold. We want to go ahead, just pour in as best as we can. Eesh. I might just have a little taste now. So good, guys. This is actually really good. Guys, this is really good, and it really reminds me of my London trip. So good. I do want to give out a shout out to Mandy and Vicky at the KitchenAid in London. Thank you so much for the recipe. Thank you so much for the amazing ice cream scooper. We use it all the time, and you guys can definitely check their Instagram. I'll put up a link somewhere around here. You guys could also check out my picture from the store. They have a giant red KitchenAid mixer that everyone just takes a photo of, and you can check it out, and I think it might be right here. If you guys are in London, you guys definitely got to check out the store. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this inspires you to make some ice cream at home, especially this recipe, because it's just delicious. If you guys love lemon or lemon curd, this is the perfect ice cream for you guys. And on that note, I don't think I'm gonna put this on the freezer. I'm just gonna have this myself. See you on the next one, guys.